Bonjour, Kinamagene Ireland Adishnikas, and welcome to this reading Tier 2 intervention. Today's episode, Suffixes. Suffixes are the letters added at the end of a word. They provide additional meaning and nuance to the word, and sometimes can also include tense. Today we're going to focus on the suffix ed. So we're going to be adding ed to each word that we're doing today. And then we're going to record the new word in the space provided. Then complete each sentence using the correct new word or words. How this will look is we're going to kind of go over this together at the beginning. And then in your Google form, you will have to take these words and add the ed form to it. Now, one thing to remember is that if the word ends in a silent E, such as like dominate, you don't add ed. You would just add a D. Otherwise, you'd get dominated. So let's do a few together. I'm going to use my text tool and see if it'll fit here. So punished, adding an ed. I take the root word and just add ed. Drown, same thing. Root word, add ed. Kill, same thing. Root word, add ed. Start to see a pattern here. Well, let's go over here to value. I don't go like this. But what I do, if I have a silent E like this, I just add D. Same thing on dominate. Just add the D. Okay, the rest of these will all end in ed. So when you answer the question, so like number one, centaurs were blank by their animal side, not their human side. So you're going to decide which word fits in there best amongst the words found in the top of this chart here, which I'll go ahead and fill in. So notice I'm just adding the ed when I type it right. If it allows me to go from, well, I'll have to fix that up for you in order to save it. But you're going to use these words to figure out which one fits in. These sentences will be there. These words will be your possibility. And so you'll be committing to your answers within the Google Classroom. You should take a moment to write these all down. If you have the paper copy, this is a good spot for it. In fact, if you have the paper copy, my recommendation is that you fill it out and then just type the answers into the Google form, as that is always the easiest way to do this. If you have any further questions on adding ed, that particular suffix, please reach out to me at mireland@sitechipschool.net. Hope you all have a mental God. Minwa Bama P.